Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a sleeve for your senator wears. So right now the sleeve is 11.5 plus half-inch seaming allowance, which will be used to seam the top. Then we'll add 3 inches allowance for the folding of the sleeve. This is basically a short sleeve. So we roll out the 2 lines, and then next we'll be taking our bicep. The bicep is 14. We mark it plus 1 inch allowance. So now you mark it out. Then for the slant we'll be taking 4 inches. Then you carefully curve it very well. You need to master the curve because the curve is where the work is. If you master the bend of the curve, you have your sleeve very well. Then we'll connect this line to that point. So we'll cut it out. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe, give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys. We will see you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.